Assalamualaikum. My name is Khairul Naim bin Arifin. Today, I would like to present about the assignment for the subject EMJ 27204 Embedded System, which is Sliding Gate Automation System. In this assignment, automatic gates are commonly used in our country. The automatic gates need to be controlled by the systems. The system is used by the remote control to auto, open, closing and stop the gate, and so it is applicable in entry and exit function. Our study will be based on the programming part of the system automation of the gates in order to determine the functionality exerted by each of the line of coding to the gates. Now, I will explain in detail about the coding of the program. From line 1 to line 2 shows the module that was used for Raspberry Pi Pico, which is pin for an output and U-time as a delay. From line 9 in this system, I have used IR sensor module for detection. For your information, there is a lot of sensor that can be replaced besides IR sensor module, which is ultrasonic ringing module, laser distance sensor, and PIR sensor. I have used IR sensor due to its easy programming structure and how it operates. For line 6 to line 8 is declaration of a push button. For line 9 it is a state of initial value for a push button. For line 11 to line 30 is a movement of a motor, but we have changed it to LED to represent as a motor. The red LED is a movement of a motor in a clockwise direction. The green LED is a movement of a motor in a counterclockwise direction. The yellow LED represents a sensor detection status. For line 15 to line 21 is a recall command for closing gates. For line 23 to line 29 is a recall command for an opening gates. For line 31 to 62 is about the looping condition. This is the command of counting for push button 1. For now, the value of a push button is 0. If we click the push button, the value will start counting. The limitation of the value is 3. Now the value is 0. If we press the push button 1 for one time, the value will change from 0 to 1. For initial value 1, if it's not fulfill the condition of if and elif, it will run the condition for else, which is closing continuously. Next, if we press the push button 1 for a second time, the initial value will change from 1 to 2. For initial value 2, if it's not fulfill the condition for if and elif, it will fulfill the else condition, which is opening the gates. For the first demonstration, I will try to run the closing gate operation. When I press the push button 1, the red LED will start blinking, which represents the gate is closing. The gate will continuously closing until it reaches at the end of the pole gates at the right side. That represents as a push button 2. After the contact between the gates and the end of the pole gates, the red LED will turn on continuously without blinking. That represents the gate is fully closed. Whenever the obstacle is detected by the IR sensor while the gate is closing, the red LED will turn off and the yellow LED will turn on, which represents the gate will stop from closing. Until the obstacle is cleared from the gate, then it will start closing again until the end. For the second demonstration, I will run the opening gate operation. When I press the push button 1 for 2 times, the red LED will turn off while the green LED will turn on blinking, which represents the gate is opening. The gate will continuously opening until it reaches at the end of the 4 gates at the left side. That represents as a push button 3. Next, after it contacts between the gates and the end of the pole gates, the green LED will turn on continuously without blinking, which represents the gate is fully open. Whenever the obstacle is detected by the IR sensor while the gate is opening, the green LED will turn off while the yellow LED will turn on, which represents the gate will stop from opening until the obstacle is cleared from the gate. Then it will start opening again until the end. From this assignment, I have learned the function of automation gate sensor. Besides that, I'm able to develop a switch as a limit switch. Next, I'm able to demonstrate the function of IR sensor module. Last but not least, I'm also able to develop a sliding gate automation systems, which gave me an idea to develop many kinds of automation systems for the future. That's all from me. Thank you.